purpose in life, just trying to get by. Bad relationships and a bit of pride. I ain't want Jesus cause he gave me this life, and I ain't want none of it. I wish I could just die. As time passed, I tried that, I couldn't, my life flashed. It was crazy how it happened. I told God, man, why you got me standing? You say I got a purpose, but why you gon' be acting? Then he looked me in the eyes and he told me it's no lie. He uncovered my eyes and I finally realized I deserve hell, but he came down from up top. Came down to the earth and melting on the cross, so we could rebirth and have access to God. When I got that love, my life was so fulfilled. I finally understood of a life that is so real.